sila. So, ang ano dyan, you have a shot, take it, at yung laban lang, di ba? Yung first game nga nila kahapon, yung first encounter nila, okay na sana yung first set ng USC pero siguro nawalan ng loob, tumuloy-tuloy. That's why it was a 3-setter.
But it was a very tight first set, 27-25,
Right.
Eliza Valdez scoring the first point para sa Lady Eagles. And Alex, good to see Alex Cabanos already starting up for the Lady Tigers.
Actually, to si Alex kasi, I think nag-OJ
Yeah.
diba doon sa Laguna ba? Kasi
Uh-huh.
medyo malayo That's why hindi siya nakaka-practice continuously. Pero I'm pretty sure kung tuloy-tuloy naman ang practice at makita ni Coach Kung Fu na gano'n pa rin, she will blend in with the team. Talaga naman si Alex ang ilalaro niya.
And Ateneo still scoring here at the start of the first set. Joanna Maraginot for the serve. Good strong serve.
That's right. And Maraginot, ito yung naging 1-2 punch ngayon dito sa tournament na to for Ateneo. You have Eliza Valdez and you have Maraginot.
Yes, and we also mentioned earlier na talaga ang Ateneo ginagawa na rin nilang isang scoring machines yung kanilang service. Talagang todo karga ang
Napansin
service.
natin yan in the last year that they really put an emphasis on their serves. Which is, rightfully, na yun na ngayon yung labanan ngayon. Because, parang easy serve lang. It's like giving a free ball.
Exactly. And yun yung mga kukuha ka ng puntos na hindi kayo masyadong nahirapan. And Jessie De Leon with the serve. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be shaky. That doesn't go outside, so the point goes to Ateneo. Eliza Valdez
With a cross-court hit.
It's 4 serving 1, Amy Ahumiro.
Makikita mo kagad when Eliza flies goes for her attack. Iwas na iwas sa blocker's partner
And I think yung isang advantage ng may hang time cake.
Oo.
Na nakikita mo rin And that's going off the block. Carmela Kunay.
Ito, yan ang isa pang key for USD. Kailangan nila ang puntos ni Mela Tunay.
Yes.
Because in their previous game, hindi nga masyadong nakakontribute si Mela. And we know for a fact na itong si Mela is one of their biggest contributors already in this year, di ba? For the team.
Laure goes for the hit and it's outside, but there is a net violation error called up against Bea De Leon. At di naman niya dininay.
Oo. Bata pa kasi siya.
Kung tayo yan, no?
Bata pa
Ref,
kasi
are you
siya.
sure ako?
Kahit kinitara mo na ang net, walang aminan.
Inararo mo ng net at lahat no?
Oh, and there she goes, De Leon. Pero that was picked up by USD.
And goes to Valdez who drops it. Laure manages to keep it alive. Free ball ang ibibigay ng UST. De Leon for the quick. Good defense from Pam Lastimosa. Valdez.
Oh! But Valdez getting that to go with a short stab.
Very fast attack from Eliza Valdez, and this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Talagang pinagdaan sa gilid in between the hands of Tunay and the antenna.
Ibang klase.
Oo.
And si Eliza parang pagaling lang na pagaling Diba?
Laure.
Pagaling lang siya
Oo.
na pagaling. Akala mo yun na yung laro niya. Like last
Nasa
year.
peak na siya.
Oo,
Yeah, but
pero
she has more. Meron pa ipipeak dun sa peak.
ba't tayo hindi tayo nag-peakest? Peaker.
Hanggang
Hindi
peak
nga ako
lang.
nag-peak
Oh, hindi daw. National team, hindi daw Oh, the Riri Meneses. Yeah, scores a point para dito sa USC.
Ito pa, isa pang nakikita ko key factor for USC. Itong si Ria Meneses.
Yeah.
Why? Dahil kaya niyang kailangan yung sarili niya gawin niyang advantage both sa offense and defense,
Yeah.
especially when she's at the net.
It's just very tall
Diba?
Yeah. At tingnan mo naman, ang haba ng kalamay.
Haba.
Konting talon lang, sigurado
Tsaka maganda
makakablock
timing
na
sa block.
Yeah, that's right. Just like that
There you
one
go.
that she got
That's
the
right.
block for USD. So USD just down by 1, it's 5, serving 6. Carmela Tunay serving for the Lady Tigers. Combination play.
Oops,
And a net violation.
si Coach Dai okay, relax. Natawa. Pipita si Red.
So, no need for further introductions kahit hindi pa nakafocus. Alam na natin kung sino ang magsaserve.
Alam na. Oh, nice serve.
Good serve from Valdez. Good pa. That's actually a good one-hand set also from Cabanos. Kekiliana. And with that attack, Ateneo leads 8-5 as we go into our first technical timeout.
Mic test, mic test.
And full force ang ating crowd dito. Here you can see the airing schedules for GMA News TV for Saturdays and Sunday and Monday to Thursday. And full force din, syempre, kami dito sa panel, ang Girl Power. We bring you to the third member of the panel, Miyaka Lim.
Maraming salamat, Ivy. Alam mo, I think wala naman naka-expect talaga yesterday na magsisweep itong UST. At natanong ko nga itong si EJ Laura at saka si Melay Tunay kanina. Sabi ko, ano bang nangyari? And none of them can actually put it into words. Pero sabi sa akin ni Coach Villet na for sure, walang kakulangan sa preparation. It is more on mental and emotional. At sinabi nga ni Coach Kung Fu, masyado daw nag-hesitate yung kanyang mga girls at nagda-doubt sa sarili. Sabi nila, alam naman daw nila na sakit daw nila to all conference long. Pero ang challenge si Coach Kung Fu today is hanggang kailan na lang natin i-baby yung sarili natin. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Miyaka. Pero, boss, yun yung pinakamahirap i-develop sa lahat.
Yes.
Yung mental and emotional.
Correct. Yung mental toughness.
Yeah.
Kasi tinatawag natin. And you're up against a stronger team.
Yeah.
Yes. Diba? Given.
True, but they're
Pero,
also human.
Correct. And you have to find ways, diba? And you have to find a way to stop this girl because like yesterday, she scored 8 points and 8 blocks. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng stat na yun,
Yeah.
na 8 blocks.
8 blocks.
Kasi, syempre, hindi naman siya inaasahan talaga na pumuntos ng sobra-sobra.
That's
Pero
right.
yung contribution niya, di ba? Lalo na yung tama ka sa blocking.
Laure, block but good coverage dito para sa UST.
Oh, there you go. Better on the second try. Yan yung mental toughness.
Yeah.
Hindi ka bibigay. Didn't make the first one. Bumawi na sa pangalawa.
Right. Yung tipong na-block ka, so what?
Yeah.
O, diba?
Part of the game.
UST just down by 2-7 serving 9. EJ Laure at the service line. Oh, that goes outside.
And that's what UST, they don't need that. That's what they have to be careful of yung mga unforced errors nila. Alam mo, ang kwento nga after that loss yesterday, ang haba daw ng pag-uusap sa dugout. Ang tagal bago lumabas itong UST.
Masinsinang usapan ang
That's
ginawa ni
right.
Coach Kung Fu. But sometimes I guess it's really what the team needs, Something na outside of the setting ng training and while everything is still fresh para sa team.
And yung focus nga nun is what Miyaka said. It's yung wala daw sisihan. It's just yung mental, mental toughness yung naging problema dun sa game nila yesterday.
And now UST gets to serve. Alex Cabanos bringing out a good service. From the back row is Eliza Valdez, picked up by EJ Laure. Pam Lastimosa. Oh, that goes outside. No touch from the blockers. Another point goes to Ateneo. Ito siguro yung sinasabi ni Coach Kung Fu na kailangan talagang iwasan lang yung error. Kung
Oo.
ma-block ka, sige, okay lang.
Laking bagay kasi nun Let's say yung mga 3-4 points mortal sin siguro yun, ano? Or you give a freebie when Eliza's in front.
And Coach Kung Fu Reyes now calls for timeout.
Kailangan natin gawin, Dick. Kanina pa nililinis ko yung mag-time design. Ando ka na sa kabila. Kaya ako sumunod na rin sa kabila. Bibigyan mo pa rin dito open. Kaya magsisinildak na dito sa dulo. Kaya andito naman ang bola. Ipipihit mo naman dito sa kabila. Binabaliktad mo lahat eh. Lahat ng blocker andito. Lahat ng blocker andito bibigay. Sumunod ka. Opo ka ng opo pero wala naman ang nangyayari sa atin. Napakadali lang naman yun. Okay namin. Tapos, guys, lahat na nakasulang sige yun, hindi nakaputi. Hindi tayo mananalis ko tayo, tatapos tayo sila. Hindi na tayo mananalis.
Sundan ng all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Volley Friends sa Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chats tab sa inyong Viber app, search, and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra-fun kulitan. But obviously, wala si Eliza dyan ngayon muna.
Pag naman may sumasagot,
Oo nga.
matakot tayong lahat.
Bakit ganon?
May naipag-chat na Eliza.
Wala.
Si Coach Kung Fu, yun ang, again, ano, yung reminder niya, parte po kasi ng trabaho ng pagiging setter, yung tinitignan mo ang depensa ng kabila.
Oo.
More or less, nasa ng blockers ng kabilang team. So, ni-remind niya lang si Alex because nagiging baliktad daw. She keeps on giving in dun sa places na maraming nandun yung blockers ng Ateneo.
But at that time, Mela Tunay scores a point for UST. Pero alam mo yan, Mozi, no, iniisip at minsan pag tinitignan natin, akala natin mas madali ang trabaho ng setter kaysa sa attacker.
Nako!
Baliktad!
Napakahirap.
Ang setter, napakahirap ng trabaho niyan.
That is right. And Vanessa is celebrating that block against Eliza.
And that trims down the lead to 2 points. 10 serving 12. Kasi sinasabi natin minsan ng setter, pagod ka na physically pero mentally pagod ka pa rin. Isip ka ng isip diba? During the game.
Ikaw yung kasing didiskarte dyan sa loob eh. In fact, sabi nila, you're the coach inside.
Yes.
Diba? You're the playing coach, kumbaga.
And tinatawag natin the brains inside the court. And ito naman, UST, sa nalangan-lamang ng Ateneo, they're slowly catching up. And I guess it's really a credit to the good defense at the front line. Lalong-lalo na now that Menes is at the front. Valdez. Blocked again by UST. Free ball ang ibibigay. Cabanos.
Nice.
Set up Tunay.
Oo.
Valdez once again. Drop shot! Oh, UST too late to get to that.
Poor coverage on the side of UST.
Let's take a look at that attack. Eliza Valdez and decides to drop it just at the back
Yan yung
of those blockers.
partner, no? Yan yung risk if you give a triple block.
Yeah.
No, yung,
Nababawasan kasi yung coverage mo eh. Pam Lastimosa will give it out and Carmela Tunay gives a free ball. Combination, Valdez is blocked.
At panay triple block ang binibigay ng UST, ha?
Oo. Off speed. Combination kay Valdez once again.
Saan ba pupunta daw si Eliza?
Sumusulpot na lang pabigla-bigla eh.
Parang sa lahat ng posisyon, pinapaluan.
And dalawa lang ang attacker niya pero yung variation at dami ng options parang tatlo.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yun talaga ang gustong gawin nitong si Coach Tai. Na parang hindi tuloy nagiging liability yung position,
Right.
yung rotation na to, na dalawa lang ang spikers mo.
Kasi in most cases yun yung nagiging rotation eh.
Correct. Tapos ang medyo tihado pa because you have a small setter.
Right. And that attack from Eliza Valdez goes straight into the net. So ang point mapupunta dito sa UST. 12 serving 14, Captain Pam Lastimosa at the service line. And XL is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Valdez. Cabanos picks it up. A free ball ang bibigay ni Carmela Tunay. Good defense mula kay Pam Lastimosa.
Oh, but Mela Tunay, not enough juice or mishitting that ball.
Mela Tunay apologizing to Coach Kung Fu.
Oh, actually, mababa naman
Oo.
yung set. Sinalubong niya.
Medyo mahirap din yung angulo niya.
Yun. Oh,
Kasi
explain
lumagpas
natin
sa
yan
kanya.
eh. Oo. Talaga, actually, gusto lang niya i-save yung bola.
Oo.
Pero nag-risk siya eh. Papaluin niya eh.
Off the block. Bea De Leon. Oy, that makes to the line. And Ateneo de Manila University is up by 4 in the second technical timeout, 16-12. And Ateneo continues to lead here in set number 1. So 7 points ang lamang nitong Lady Eagles. Eliza Valdez pa rin ang nasa service line.
And it's a full front line for both squads.
Cortez is blocked. Again, poor coverage para dito sa UST. At napatawag ng timeout si Coach Kung Reyes. Timeout was meant to break the momentum of Ateneo.
But also, siguro yung regrouping kailangan ng USC. Tama si Coach Kubo kanina, sinabi nga niya, hindi pa pwede ka lang na but you have to do something about it because useless yung mga timeouts, di ba? If you salita lang ang nangyayari.
Good pick up there. Olares scores a point for USD. So good timeout din ang pagkakatawag doon ni Coach Kung.
Well, I guess ito USD, they also have to look at their combination plays kasi nga nababasa sila kung yung mga usual plays.
And we have a substitution here. Francisco coming in for Meneses. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Violation called up again.
Double. Tama naman yun.
Yeah.
It's a double violation.
Puntos na naman para dito sa UST. So they're just down by 6-15, serving 21.
Christine Francisco serving.
Good serve.
Oh, nice. There you go.
Magandang pasa, magandang play.
Maganda rin mag-isip eh, no? Si
Yeah,
Jonathan.
that's
Yung
right.
diskarte niya. Oh, and now, another, former Tomasian inside. Of course, that's Gaston.
So I wonder how it feels, no, na parang she's
Oo
playing
nga.
against
Pauline Gaston.
But although she's, kumbaga, yun nga, she said, galing siya UST, and now she's playing against her former alma mater.
Parang si Eliza din lang, di ba?
Yeah. Yun yung mga unang tanong din sa kanya nung bago siya.
Ngayon si Bongkay naman. Galing din injury to si Bongkay, di ba? I think sprain.
Oh, good pick up there. Humiros by Lastimosa.
That is right. Perfect timing on the side of UST. Lastimosa blocking Humiro.
Take a look at that block from Pam Lastimosa. Perfect timing.
Kailangan talaga if you're up against Ateneo, yung basa mo.
Yeah.
Kailangan talagang very key yung pagbasa sa depensa ng kalaban.
Kasi ang bilis din ng mga play nila
Saka
eh.
ang dami.
Oo.
Ang daming pinagagalingan. EJ Lauren, nice serve.
Maraguinot is blocked. Good save from Tan. Free ball given by Ateneo. Combination play. Oh, good save again from Tan. So free ball ulit ang ibibigay ng Ateneo. Gurutiao to set up Cortez.
And Cortez a bit late. She was really far for that combination play. Ang combination kasi, di ba, dapat may lugar talaga yun to run it perfectly.
Yeah.
Eh, ang layo ni Cortez for that differential. Alam mo naman ang differential, mga ano lang yan 3 feet.
Oo,
feet
kaya mabilis pa rin ang
above the
pasok
net.
mo dun
Oo. Hindi katulad ng open. Bali-baluan
Brought to you by Tita Moji.
Talagang may 3 feet pa ako 3 feet above the net.
Hindi kasi pero sometimes, these are some of the things na even minsan nga kahit player ka, you don't, you take for granted yung mga ganyan. Basta alam mo lang, iaangat, alam mo lang, di ba?
Oo.
There's a science behind it,
Although,
sabi nga nila.
syempre,
Pam Lastimosa picked up by Eliza Valdez. Maraginot.
oh, it's just too much to handle for Vershao.
And set number 1 is won by the Lady Eagles 25-18. But a good start na rin naman dito para sa UST. Just a little few things lang na kailangan nilang i-organize or shake and play. Joanna Maraginot scoring for the Lady Eagles. 25-18. We'll be back with set number 2.
Block points dyan naman mga UST. At tingin ko nga dyan nila pwedeng simulan
Yes.
yung mga atake nila. So 3-1. Aces pareho lamang and errors UST having 2 more, 8-6. But more importantly, ang UST kasi parang pigil yung laro nila. Hindi masyadong parang this is a do or die situation for them. So they will need a lot more energy. But I like the way they are handling yung all the time si Eliza Valdez would get a triple block.
Yeah, and
Diba?
they have been successful on
Yes,
several occasions.
correct.
Able to stop the attacks of Eliza Valdez. So for now, it's more of like, sabi nga ni Coach Kung, more of mental para dito sa Lady Tigers.
At naging problema lang dun, okay, may triple block. Hindi nila na-address yung coverage.
Oo.
So, ang ginagawa ng Ateneo, nakita ang triple block, ihuhulog. So, kailangan kasama yun dun sa triple block mo. Alam mo na kasi na yun naman ang gagawin.
Yeah,
Diba?
that's
Yun
right.
naman din ang pang-sagot sa triple block. So, kailangan prepared ka rin dun. You have to counter.
In the meantime, is set number 2 underway. At first 2 points at nakuha nitong Ateneo. At last attack was care of Eliza Valdez. And this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
At pinadaan sa gilid ni Pam Lastimosa for the check.
Ramiro with the serve. Lastimosa attacks, goes
There
off
you
the
go.
block, and earns the point for USD.
That's right. And I really think na si Pam Lastimosa, she likes sets na medyo away from the net.
Oo.
Na mas nadidiskartehan niya, mas nakikita niya yung blockers dun sa kabila.
De Leon serving now for USD.
Well, in set number 1, USD, yun na nga, 3 block points against the only one of Ateneo with 25% blocking average.
And blocking would definitely play a big role para dito sa USD.
Tama. At yun nga, pwedeng pagmulan yun ng magandang laro nila Kasi pag lagi may depensa sa harap, you can always parang, at least man lang, slow down or deflect the
That's
ball.
right.
Makaka-run ka pa rin ng play mo. And they have to be careful. And translate naman sana yun to parang a point on offense.
De Leon again for the serve. Combination si Valdez, kitang-kita.
Oh, wide open hole right there. Easily. Valdez taking that spot.
And again, yun yung sinasabi mo, Mozi, the risk that you take if you have your 3-man block.
Well, so far, Meneses 5 points. 2 na yan, Laure. 3 each. Kabila, Valdez with 7. Hekeliana with 4.
Service ace naman para kay Giselle Tan. And Ateneo is now up by 2. It's Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Oh, nice.
A good first ball din para dito sa UST. Coverage is there that time. Lastimosa block. Pero buhay pa rin ang bola. Good job from Rasmo.
Another chance for Ateneo. And De Leon, this time with an angle.
Good hit from De Leon. Ganda yung pinili niyang angulo rin eh.
Yan ang pag natutunan pa nitong batang to eh.
Yeah.
Mas magiging deadly pa ang opensa.
They go to Lastimosa. That's too near the net.
That's right.
Drop shot once again. Buhay pa. But USD not able to keep it alive. Early timeout ang tinawag dito ni Coach Kung Reyes.
Pensa, pataasin mo naman yung bola. Yung makukuha ng teammate mo. Para mo nang awa.
Madami na nangyayari sa kabila. Sabi wala pa nangyayari. Walang assurance yung schedule nila. Nakatake sila ng tao. Lahat nag-aabang sila kung bubunga ba yung bola mo. May sakto lang. Hindi ka nagsasalita. Striker, hindi naman kayo ng bola. Kasi yung shooter natin, ayaw naman magsalita. Kaya na lang humingi. Tulungan natin si Sarah. Ganun na lang ang tuloy. Saka yung palo mo, yung palo na direct, linis mo naman. Nakuha mo. Diretso lang sa block eh. Go, yes eh. Hindi ka kataon ba ang bumawi?
Sundan ng all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, friends of Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chats tab sa inyong Viber app, search, and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch the ultra fun kulitan.
That's great. I mean, off a timeout, USC scoring one on that quick hit. Tingnan mo magkulitan tong si Meneses at saka si De Leon. Kasi na yung team, lagi ko sila nakikitang dalawa nagkukulitan.
Tunay now with the serve. A good block. Lastimosa for the attack. Ito ulit kay Eliza. Drop shot. Oh, this time around, USC keeps it alive.
Oh, good job, Laure. Pero better job, Hekeliana on the down-the-line hit.
Actually, they have been scoring quite a number of points already itong Ateneo. Dun sa area na yun. Ngayon ito sa defense ng USC. And this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
So yung Ateneo really continuing to find those open
Yeah,
spots no? Sa depensa. Yung, kumbaga yung butas sa depensa ng USC. Kaya parang ang dali ng buhay nila.
And that brings us to our first technical timeout. Ateneo up by 5. It's 8-3. We'll be back. For international schedules, just visit the site www.gmanetwork.com International Program Guide. And Miyaka, what's up?
Alam mo, Ivy, yung panalo kahapon ng Ateneo looks really easy, pero ang ating best player of the game na si Bea De Leon said, you know what, it's not easy at all. Mas naka-adjust lang sila to react to situations right aware kung i-compare nyo dito sa UST. Ito din si Bea actually had a notable performance when it comes to her blocking, leading the pack with 8. And sabi niya, kahit sa daw nagulat sa kanyang performance, pero sabi niya, she's been really working hard for it. Pero sabi niya, lahat ng performance na yun, mababaliwala kung matatalo daw sila today. Kaya naman sabi niya, iisa lang ang kailangan nilang gawin in today's game, and that is to distribute the responsibilities inside the court. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Miyaka. And tama naman, you know, it's really important talaga yung distribution of responsibilities.
Yes.
You cannot just, you know, put it in the hands or yung weight sa isa o dalawang players lang.
At saka in a team, wala na sigurong sasarapan ang welcome treat sa isang coach, yung dumedepensa ng isang, diba, player.
Yes.
Diba, yun na. Kumbaga kasi wala namang off sa defense diba? It's the will
That's right.
Wala. Ito nga, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung si Bea De Leon. Number 1 na ngayon sa ating best blocker. At hindi madali totoo yung sinabi niya, hindi madali at hindi rin madaling maging number 1. Imagine, may Jaja Santiago
right.
tayo.
Oo.
Diba? May Meneses ka. Diba? And, Jan Palma.
A lot of
Not
really
easy.
tough competition, yes,
That
that's
is
true.
correct. So, UST, parehong tig-dalawang receives itong Ateneo at UST so far. It is set. Sa atake, Ateneo having 5, UST with 2. Pero may dalawang service points na rin ang Ateneo at may isang block point naman ng UST. And minimal error so far, Ateneo with 2 and only 1 for UST.
And I think for any game, talagang yun ang importante talaga, yung minimizing errors.
Yung ang laking tulong niya.
Oo.
Lalo na yung mga close games.
Maraginot, a good pick up from Tunay. Meneses dumps it in. Binalik ulit ni Meneses. Si Tan natakot maapakan. Laure off the hands of Lea De Leon.
Ang lalaki nga naman na nandun sa harap eh. Baka hindi siya mapansin. And again, yun yung mga little things na presence of mind ng mga players natin na hindi sila maka-injure.
Yeah,
diba?
right.
Get out of the
That's
way.
true.
And siguro yung ano pa rin you want the play to continue.
Of course. And a good serve done by Pam Lastimosa. Laure! Oh, that one goes outside. Too much angle naman doon sa follow ni Laure.
Correct. And she's way, parang almost kahilera yung takot dalay na siya, no? But still went for an angle.
Nandigil yata.
Why?
Kasi ganda,
Oo, gigil.
ganda rin kasi naman ng bigay eh. And if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be shaky. De Leon now serving for Ateneo. It's 9 serving 8. Good serve. Running Meneses.
There you go.
Good hit.
Meneses with that running hit point.
Let's take a look at that attack.
Ayun, isang blocker lang ang nag-commit sa Ateneo.
And again, Meneses has this advantage, height advantage eh. Good serve. Combination or quick play para yung Bumiro. Not the perfect attack pero
Pwede na rin. A point
Oy.
is a point.
Medyo mababa ng konti eh. So Ateneo still in the lead. 10 serving 9. Team Hekeliana. Good serve. They go to Laure. Cross court. Tan will go to Valdez. Back row hit. Good pick up from Lastimosa. Tunay from the back 10. Back
That's
row
right.
attack tayo dito ah.
Si Tunay, yan ang develop niya, ha? Yung kanyang back row attack. And USC gets a point. It was a check ball.
Good decision also from Berutiao to give out a quick attack.
And si Jessie De Leon, remember, in their previous encounter, had about 6 points. Ngayon, medyo quiet pa, no? So
Yeah.
far. Except for that last, yun na nga, yung huling play.
Tunay, cross court. Drop shot, medyo kinapos.
Pero ayun na naman, UST should really be careful with those drop shots coming from Ateneo.
But I think this time around, medyo nababasa na Rasmo. Ay, nakikita ko na, palapit na siya eh. Laura now serving for UST. Good pick up from De Jesus. Back row attack from Valdez. So straight into the net. So
Ito na.
kalamangan, nalipat na dito sa UST. 12 serving 10.
UST, kung pwede sila mag-pull away, they have to do it right now. Layo mo na, di ba?
Oo. Oh, good one-hand set mula dito kay Giselle Tan.
Si Elodis talagang all out. But Maraguinot into the net.
Maraguinot now will take a rest and Shanku Williams will come in to replace her. Axel is
Hindi
the
ko na siya
official
makikita maglaro.
outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. And she doesn't get fielded in too much, but she was given naman her minutes in the court. Laure, back row. A good defense from EJ Laure.
That's right. Oh, but they give a free ball to Ateneo. Oh, and Williams gets it on that second try. What a gift.
Good job to EJ Laure. Single-handedly manning the entire back
Oo
row.
nga eh.
So na lang naiwan to sa likod eh. And Shanku Williams now serving para dito sa Ateneo. So they're down by 2, 11 serving 13.
Yan na naman yung over-receive ball na galing sa UST. Pero tunay. Yan ang, alam mo, in the beginning of this tournament, dito sa ating conference na to, nakita ko si tunay na lumakas yung mga palo niya, no?
And this Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for happy family.
Yun na yung siguro to be consistent with those hits. Yun ang kailangan gawin ni Tunay, ni Mela Tunay. Oh, that's
too low.
Set.
Yeah, very low. And Tan apologizing to Coach Tai. Sara Virachao for the serve.
Oh,
And the service eh!
Well, talaga namang napakahirap
Mahirap ang floater eh. And USD leads 16-11 as we come into the second technical timeout. Facebook pages, yan ang po yung kailangan yung puntahan for the latest updates. And syempre, in any game, would like to introduce you to Maxine Irish Louie and Calyado, 13 years old from Caloocan City. So she's our face of the game.
Very young. 13-year-old. Malamang, volleyball player din.
Oo. Yun yung mga watching her idols.
Oo.
Over-receive. Point goes to USD. I like the energy I
Yes.
seeing here para dito
Correct.
sa team ng USD.
And yung energy na dapat huwag na nilang bitawan.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi alam naman natin ang Ateneo, pag yan nakakuha ng pagkakataon, nako.
Yes. Kahit little window
Yes.
of opportunity, hindi nila pakakawalan. Kaya, Eniquiliana misreading that serve, napalabas na sana.
A timeout now being called by Coach Tai.
Medyo lumalayo na rin kasi ang UST. No? It's now a 7-point lead for the Lady Tigresses.
Sara Virachao now for the serve. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99.
And there you go. That triple block working once again for UST. Coach Tai looking at the box.
Virachao once again for the serve.
At doon talaga dinadala ni
Oo.
Sara Virachao yung depensa, yung kanyang
kanyang
serve.
serve, that's
Testing the defense of Williams and itong si Hikeliana.
There was a violation called up against UST, so the point goes to Ateneo, 12 serving 19. Amy Ahumiro for the serve. Lastimosa. Free ball ang ibibigay nitong Ateneo. Virchow for a running
Oh,
attack.
sayang, no blocker for Jessie De Leon. Sayang yon play.
That's right. And Coach Kung Fusing, di bale, bawi.
Oo, bawi na. Yun naman talaga.
Tibay.
USC now 6 attack points. Ateneo having one more with 7 attack points. But Ateneo, 10 errors na, partner, against the only 3 of UST. Nabanggit mo yan kanina na importante kung malimit din nila yung kanilang mga errors.
De Leon not ready for that attack. De Leon!
Oh, the other one. The Leon in blue. Yun naman, the Leon in poor connection. Poor connection. Hindi ready yung De Leon in yellow, pero dun sa kabila,
Wala namang connection.
Well, so far, USC, yun nga, 6 attack points. Ateneo having one more, pero ang USC, 3 receives, at ang Ateneo having 2 more with 5.
Hoy pa rin ang bola. Good pick up. Pero ito, free ball ang binigay ng UST. A run. That's a good hit there from De Leon. Magandang bawi doon sa kanilang earlier na miscommunication ni Tan.
At yun ang gusto mo sa isang athlete, no? Sa isang player. Pag nagkamali, sige, move on na. Bawi ka agad.
That's right. And also, maganda rin siguro yung pag-spread out ng play kasi makita mo, isa lang yung nag-block sa kanya. Jessie De Leon actually humabol lang eh.
So, si Giselle Tan, nakita niya no, na it was the right time to give it to Bea. Oh, and Riri getting that quick hit once again.
Carmela Tunay now getting ready to serve para dito sa UST.
At ang USC needing more,
Four
only 4
points.
more
That's
points
right.
to get this set.
Valdez off the block.
Oh! At inagaw ni Meneses at naging successful naman siya.
Walang magagawa si Sarah kasi
Oo.
mas malaki sa kanya si Riri eh.
Kahit tumalon-talon siya at abutin niya yung bolang yun, mauunang hawakan ni Riri.
I think Ateneo was actually anticipating na si Vera Chow pa ang makakakuha ng bola. So they were caught in surprise and bilang in-over na lang to ni Meneses. And when it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be shaken.
And Mela Tunay getting an ace.
USD just 2 points away from getting set number 2. Carmela Tunay once again for the serve.
Oh, but that goes into the net.
So 3-point para dito sa Lady Eagles. Eliza Valdez now at the service line para sa the Blue Shirts.
So parehong full front line ang USC at Ateneo. Sinong mamamayagpag? That is the question. And Eliza Valdez getting an ace. Much to the delight of Coach Tay. Ayun na naman yung kanyang famous dance.
Kaya fit na fit si Coach Tay eh.
Oo. Kasing pagod na mga players niya pagkatapos ng game.
Valdez once again for the serve. Better reception this time for USC. Meneses drops and gets the point.
That's right. The power tip coming from Ria Meneses.
And it's set point now dito para sa UST. 24 serving 16. Captain Pam Lastimosa ready to serve. Service good. Maraguinot. Block. Good coverage. Valdez at the back row. Not over.
Point. Right. Point awarded to USC. So USC gets the second set. We are tied, partner.
1-1. Ito talaga yung maganda nga naging comeback nitong UST, and Riri Meneses, as we've seen, has also played very well dito sa set number 2. So we take a look at the attacks that are very helpful for the win of UST. So it's 1-1. We'll be back with set number 3.
Hindi mako-continue. So even against Ateneo yesterday, ganun din eh.
Ganun din yung
Ganda ng
nangyari.
first set. Pero yung second and third set, parang nawalan, di ba? Nawalan na ng yung energy. So ito ang magiging sagot ng Ateneo. Medyo naging quiet si Alyssa din sa second set.
And Hekeliana, on the other hand, scores the first point para dito sa Ateneo.
Si Coach Tay, kala mo galit, pero sinasabi, very good. Nagsisisigaw, pero very good.
Very good eh, no? Tan with a good serve. So it's going to be a free ball para dito sa UST. De Leon drops it. Tunay, cross court.
And I like how UST was still able to set that up. Parang almost a broken play
Oo.
from the get-go eh. Pero they were able to set it up.
Good start for both of these teams are 1-1. Jessie De Leon serving now for UST.
Well, so far, Meneses in that second set, 5 points. Itong si Tunay having 3. De Leon, Laure, Lastimosa, and Verusiao having 2 each. Naging yun, team effort talaga doon sa second set para sa UST. Sa Ateneo naman, Valdez with 5 points and Hekeliana with 2. De Leon with the same number.
And Jessie De Leon had a service error para sa UST, pero si Liza Valdez ganun din.
Oo,
So,
sinunod.
tabla na naman tayo, 2-all. And Carmela Tunay naman ngayon ang magsuserve para sa UST. Service good, picked up by Valdez. Quick play para kay Bea De Leon.
Yes, getting it through the blockers of UST at isa doon si Meneses. Hindi madaling gawin yon.
And she's now getting ready to serve para dito sa Ateneo. 3 serving 2. Shakey's. If it's fun and family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Good serve. And they go to Laure. Off the block. Buhay pa rin ang bola. A bit too close to the net para kay Maraguinot.
Fred and Lastimosa winning the joust.
Although I think, Maraguinot made a good decision not to push anymore. Kasi
Oo.
feeling ko kung hinabol pa niya yun, baka mamaya, aksidente na mangyari.
Yan yan naman ayaw natin.
Hekeliana, block, good coverage from Valdez. Oy, back row, walang tao.
Walang. Nandun pa si Alyssa sa likuran ni Giselle.
Laure once again, down the line hit.
And it makes the line, makes the space. So Laure getting that point. Yeah, it seems na yung USD, ayaw na nilibigay yung momentum.
Oo. And that ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for happy families. Which is the correct way of thinking. Kasi nga, alam mo na pag yung Ateneo nakakuha ng tiyempo, baka
Oo.
mahirapan na silang makabalik.
Tama.
Oh, Meneses.
And Hekeliana going down the line.
Hekeliana has been playing very well for Ateneo today. Kasi parang naging surprise element. You would probably expect it from Valdez. Maraguinot is there. And she's making a lot of noise for herself this afternoon. So tie tayo ulit for all. Hekeliana serves. Laure off the block.
Oh, nicely done. Pero Maraguinot sends it long.
And she has the right thing in mind going down the line.
Yes.
Kasi yung maliit na blocker niya nandun eh.
Tama. At ang ganda ng pagkakaset yung
Oo.
jump set ni Giselle.
Ganda. So, UST regains the lead, 5-4. Meneses at the service line.
Oh, and that's very long.
Napahawak sa tenga to si Riri pagkatapos. Ano yun? Matalak ka.
Sabi niya, ito ba yung extra rice na kinain ko kanina? Dahil Parang tinamaan lang niya yung bola, pero lumipad eh.
Oo, hindi nga masyado, pag-release yan, hindi nga masyadong malakas yung ano niya eh. And Pam will give it to Laure. Laure off the block of Ahumiro.
Yup, and that was just a single block. Bagay si Amy, sanay na sanay sa
Oo.
ganyan eh, lalo na sa gitna.
Right.
So, that's single block.
UST still up by 1, 6 serving 5. Laure, one straight into the net. So, consecutive service errors to para sa UST.
Ang ganda na sana kanina.
Oo.
3 errors in that second set. Ako, naniniwala ko na yun ang nakapanalo sa kanila, ha? Yung na limit nila sa 3 errors. So, they have to watch out for their unforced errors.
And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Oh, and a solid block right there for Bea de Leon. Kaboom eh.
Oo, lakas eh. Ganun din kalakas din kasi yung palo ni Mela
Mela.
Tunay. But perfect timing. Kung nakita natin sa replay, talagang magandang pagkakatapat. Oo. And they go to Tunay once again.
Oh, and Tunay going down the line. Ang tipis na nung dinaanan ng bola ni Mela.
So that brings back our score tied to 7. Sara Veretiao for the serve para dito sa UST. De Leon. Jessie De Leon pushes it over. Para clear tayo.
Yeah.
And UST takes the lead here as we go to our first technical timeout, 8 to 7. So let's listen in.
เก็บบอลพอยแฮปปี้ไม่บอลไฮอยู่จำไฮคิดนะฮะบอลไฮอยู่จำคิดโอ้โหkasi nga nagsitingkal ka na kayo pagsulit, babalik lang sa atin. Kaya umarap ka doon sa blacker sa kabila kasi doon magagaling yung black. Sabihan mo, hindi ka tumabay, wala ka na magagawa dyan kasi nasa baba na. Galing sa taas. Hindi na, yun na makita ko na naman yung gano'n mo. Yun naman dito na yung ginawa ka na ng susuwan para mabago ka na mabago. Ikaw din, lahat ng outside dito, walang isip, basta umangat ang bola. Labas, atake dalawang gilid, activate yung para. Hindi naman tayo nananalo eh. Yung atake natin, ito yung nagpamadala sa atin.
So, ang daming bilin na basics din itong si Coach Kung Fu.
Ano talaga sila in the process of getting to know each other? Both si Coach Kung Fu at si young players.
And we now turn you over to the third member of the panel, Miyaka.
Maraming salamat, Ivy. And kadagdagan nga dyan sa UST huddle na yan, tinanong ni Coach Kung Fu, saan ba tayo nanalo during the second set? And na-recognize itong mga girls na dahil yan sa kanilang service. Kaya naman sabi sa kanila ni Coach Kung Fu na ipagpatuloy daw nila, but this time kailangan daw mas kargado pa. At sabi niya, kinumend naman daw niya yung mga girls pagdating dun sa kanilang spacings and defense pagdating dun sa back row. Sabi niya, alalahanin niyo lang yung depensang yan plus ang ating service, we will be fine. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Miyaka. You know, defense really plays a big role. Ako talagang firm believer talaga ako doon.
Correct. And ang ganda ng pagkakasave naman ni Alyssa dun sa service, but UST also staying on in that last play.
That's why UST now has a lead of 10 to 7. Sara Veroteo pa rin ang nagsuserve para dito sa UST.
Sabi nga ni Coach Kung Fu, once again, nire-remind si Sara, tignan mo, nasa ng blocker sa kabila. Basa-basa.
Basa-basa din pag may time.
Tama. Oh, ayay. And Valdez getting it through the triple block of UST. And again, si Alyssa kasi pag yung sunod-sunod yung puntos niya, napapump up niya yung team eh. Diba? And ang nangyayari sumusunod eh. Nadadala niya.
Lastimosa. Cortana will give it to Valdez, but this is going to be a free ball.
Picked up by Maraginot.
Drop shot. Rasmus there. Tunay. Off the block.
the blockers were already late for that. The blockers of UST.
Lahat sila were going to the right, and they forgot Eliza Valdez.
Yup, and credit Giselle Tan.
But yeah, this Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for happy families.
Again, credit half that point to Giselle
Oh, yeah.
Tan. Ganda ng tulak pa sa likod at back set. Oh, but Mela Tunay once again. And si Mela is just giving it her all.
But you realize this probably really, this is, do or die. Kasi
Yes.
if they want to move on,
Di ba-
kailangan talaga eh.
Diba kanina nung first set yung tinatanong natin, bakit parang walang sense of urgency, di ba?
Oo.
Itong UST, yung laro nila. Pero eto na. They got their groove and De Leon getting an ace.
UST up by 3-12, serving 9. Jessie De Leon serving para sa UST. Another good serve, change direction this time. Good setup para kay Tano. Good block from Lastimosa.
Picking it up.
Lastimosa goes off the hands of the blocker. So puntos na naman po para sa UST.
So check ball. So puntos. Papunta sa mga Tomasyan.
They're now up by 4. 13 serving 9. Another good serve from Jessie De Leon. They go to Valdez.
Oh, and
Outside.
Too much muscle on that one.
And I think Coach Tai will now be calling a timeout para dito sa Ateneo.
Happy. No problem. Kaya na, one more point. Ha? How you can, no look. One, two, three.
Sundan ng all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, the rest of the Volley Friends sa Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app, search, and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan. And UST up by 5 points, 14 serving 9. De Leon for the serve.
Oh, and De Leon getting another ace. Too much to handle. So para kay Ella De Jesus.
A little bit of concerned look nakikita natin dito kay Coach Tai.
Yup. Pacing up and down the court. Nakasmile pa naman.
Nakasmile pa rin naman siya.
Oh!
Another poor reception para dito sa Ateneo. And that's USC up here in set number 3, 16-9. We'll be back. And we're back here at V-League Up. For more V-League updates in GMA International, just visit our Twitter accounts and Instagram accounts. So that's nakikita nyo po on your screen kung saan kayo dapat pupunta. Para din of course, this afternoon, we would like to say hi and welcome dito sa ating, to the Escarilla family. They are the ultra fun family of the game. We have RC, Marie Eleanor, and Margaret. Yan. Cute naman.
Oh, bata pa lang.
Oo nga
train
eh.
na mahalin ang volleyball.
That's right.
Diba? It starts with yung love for the game. Yung interest.
That's right. And the parents din syempre play a vital role sa
Ay,
interest ng mga bata.
Sinabi mo pa.
Diba, Mami?
Yes.
Mami Mozi.
Oo, ito.
A stage mother.
Correct.
Number 1 stage mother.
Of the century.
I-award na talaga kita, no? Carmela Tunay scores it off the block.
That's right. And much to the delight of the yellow side.
So everything is going the way of of UST here in set number 3. Ateneo nagsustruggle sa kanilang first ball, and
Yun talaga,
yung
yung
blocking
first ball.
nila nahihirapan din eh.
Tanda mo yun na kanina sinabi ni Miyaka dun sa report niya, di ba? Nasabi ni Coach Kung Fu, tinanong, bakit kayo nananalo? Service.
Yes.
Di ba? Service. So, yun ang nangyayari sa UST. Ang gaganda ng serve sila. Hirap sa first ball ang Ateneo. That's why they were able to pull away.
And so, but this time around, Ateneo manages to get a score out of the attack of Hekiliana. Eliza Valdez to serve.
Oh, Meneses into the net. Actually, it's a good play. Maganda yung play na galing sa UST. UST now 10 attack points. Ateneo half lang with 5. But a block point. But UST having 3 aces, partner. Parehong 3 errors so far.
And they go to Tunay. Off speed. Quick attack De Leon. But Rasmo was able to keep it alive. Tunay!
Oh,
It's a
and-
home run. Medyo
Oh.
may gigil yun.
At saka nasa ilalim ng bola eh. Really under the ball. Alam mo na yung trajectory niyan. Pag sa ilalim mo
Oh.
tinamaan.
PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Eliza Valdez commits a service error. Libreng puntos para sa UST. 18 serving 12.
Right into the net ng UST. 10 of 19. That's why they have a very high percentage. 52, almost 53% success rate sa atake. Pero ang Ateneo, 5 of 15. So, 34% lamang.
Very low success rate para sa Ateneo. 5 lang out of the 15 attack.
Yup. And Maraginot, but tagdagan mo na yan. Maraginot getting the line and getting the point.
Bea De Leon now to serve for the Lady Eagles. 13 serving 18. Nakakagulo na yung mga fans natin dito.
Oh, talaga namang napakaganda nitong larong to.
Laure.
Oh, and Laure. Ayan. Yeah, I was going to say challenge din sa UST to sustain and maintain their energy inside. So, kailangan yung level na yan, i-maintain nila at makakuha nila yung set.
And like we mentioned, di ba, yun yung minsan nakikita natin na problem kasi ng
Yes,
UST.
up
Kaya
and down
nila,
eh.
tapos mawawala, and then minsan mahihirapan na sila to get back. Lastimosa with a good serve. They go to Maraginot, and that's off the block.
Right, Maraginot using the blockers of UST to get that point. Ito naman, kung comeback at comeback ang pag-uusapan, Ateneo, hindi na siguro lingis ang alaman ng lahat.
alam na
How they
natin
can
yun.
always come back.
We all know that. Ekiliana now to serve for the Lady Eagles. Service ace!
Ekiliana getting an ace.
And that's consecutive points
Yes.
na para sa Ateneo.
And ano yan, UST naman has to be aware and yung conscious effort to maintain the lead.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung bawi ka agad.
Laure off the block. Now 20 for USD at 15 para sa Ateneo. So 5 kalamangan itong yellow shirts. Lily Meneses now to serve for UST. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Oh, and nag-pinball yan Amy.
Amy Ahobiro, she had a hand at that attack, pero actually mataas yung bola eh.
Right.
Pwede pa sanang ma-save. Substitution here for USC. Christine Francisco comes in for Meneses. Good serve.
Nice sure serve.
Drop shot. Opam Lastimosa not able to keep it alive.
That's right. Inabot instead of 1 more step or 2 more steps. Inabot ni Pam.
At Ateneo down by 5. 16 serving 21. Joanna Maraginot. Service good. Combination. Laure off the block. De Jesus was there to keep it alive, pero free ball ang binigay ng Ateneo. Laure!
Oh, good job, Ella De Jesus picking that up. One more chance for UST. Oh, and sharper this time.
And you can see it from the approach of
Oh,
CJ
eh.
Laure. Kita mo na eh.
Yes. Parang sharper and she wants it harder, di ba?
Yeah.
More powerful at that attempt. And she got the point.
Good display of attacks here for the side of UST. 22 serving 16. Laure for the serve. Valdez off the block.
Once again, ayan si Coach Kufu, papaluan na si Pa. Stop stretching. You have to run and yun establish your
Yeah.
position
This is
Pero sakit naman
one step
yan
short lang
Oo,
kasi.
Sakit ng volleyball player talaga yan.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be shaky.
Instead na one step, yung gusto mo na lang abutin
Oh.
Nangyayari sa lahat yun.
It happens.
Yes.
So, attack error from Tunay gives Ateneo its 18th point, 18 serving 22. Apat na lang ang kalamangan nitong UST.
Will Ateneo stage a comeback or ang USC will they have that character to sustain and get this set?
They go to Tunay, who's blocked by De Leon and Valdez.
A solid block there from the Lady Eagles.
Coach Kungfu Reyes will call for time.
Taratang mga natrat. Dalawang natrat.
Kasi Chloe at saka yung magaling mo tayo. Okay.
Oh, guys, saan na? Ay, saan na?
Grabe naman. Dalawang depensa yung ginagawa mo. Naninigas yung bola. Hindi na kaya mo. Isag mo lang lang. Isak mo lang. Lamang tayo. Magaling mo sa yung pensionado. Huwag natin hayaan ganyan. Huwag natin hayaan ganyan.
Kala ko sa timeout papaluan ni Coach Kungfu.
Okay, ito re-enactment. Re-enactment lang
Hindi pwedeng paluin kanina eh.
Hakbang lang.
So we have a substitution now. We have Cabanas comes in and Cortez. So the usual two-man substitution para dito sa UST.
Very crucial, This is
Oo.
a very crucial substitution for Coach Kung Fu Reyes.
Amy Ahumiro serving.
Oh!
And it's going to be a free ball.
That's right. Oh, but Ateneo winning that point. Sayang yun kasi wala pa sa depensa sana yung mga players sa Ateneo, but they didn't give it to a quick
That's
play.
right.
Hindi sa quick play binigay. Nagka-chance ang Ateneo for defense.
And now UST, the lead is just down to 2, 22-20. Amy Ahumiro for the serve. Unay blocked once again by De Leon.
And then, right, and it's just a 1-point lead now, partner. At kung ano yung ginagawa ng USC kanina, yung solid blocking
Yeah.
nila. Ateneo ngayon ang gumagawa naman sa USC.
And so Edvertiao now and Lastimosa will come back in.
Right. Yun ang, again, test of character
Yeah.
for the team of Coach Kung Fu. Kailangan may mag-step up and lead for them. On the other side naman, ito na slowly, momentum is going Ateneo's way.
Ito yung sinasabi natin sa Ateneo, diba? You know, no
Yung ability
lead
to
is
come back
safe.
Oo eh.
No lead is safe if you're going up against Ateneo. Another good serve from Ahumiro. will play a ball. Tunay. Valdez off the block. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Free ball na binigay ng USC.
What a save!
And there you go. And you would expect na ang ibibigay ay quick.
Correct. Yan ang mas tamang reaction.
That's right.
Went for a quick play, got that one to go.
And I'm sure that USC knew na sa quicker din ibibigay ang bola. So everybody was scrambling for their possessions. And don't look now, but we're tied 22-all. Amy Ahumira's been serving forever.
Oh, and a violation. Get USC called. Net violation, partner.
Now timeout called by Coach Kung Fu.
Ano ba ang gusto kanina yan? Isang bola lang nga atakin mo, di mo mag-bola. Lahat ng option ginamana natin. Ayaw mo lang eh. Kaya tanggalin na ito lang. Alam mo ang dami mo ginagawa na bola. Bawihan mo naman, hindi pa naman tayo. Ano gagawin natin? Gamit ka na tayo. Bigay mo natin. Hindi po sila yung sarili mo. Go, yes eh! Wala tayo eh. Wala ka na ang galit. Ayaw mo naman ang bola.
Alright, so, Ivy, pasok. Total. Kaya mo yan, Ivy. Pasok ka na. Slap
Nako,
ka na.
Tita Mozzie.
Alam mo, ang dami talagang sinayang na puntos na yung USC.
Oo,
Yun naman ang
eh,
totoo
yeah.
rin doon sa sinasabi ni Coach Kung Fu.
Yung,
And,
yung
most of-
panghihinayang nararamdaman niya kasi.
Yes, and most of the opportunities dun sa play sa USC, kay Mela kasi.
Good defense from Pam Lastimosa and they go to Mela. Pagkakataon na!
and
Nakabawi!
Yan ang sinasabi ni Coach Kung Fu. Ang dami ng binigay sa'yo, bumawi ka naman.
Oo.
Diba?
And Mela Tunay
Yup.
heating up to the challenge. Let's take a look at that attack from Mela Tunay. Yung buong Espanya, kasama na rin talaga.
Saka yung angulo, napakatalim na eh. Really grazing yung arms ng blocker sa Ateneo.
They go to Valdez. He's blocked. No coverage for Ateneo.
And again, the triple block of Ateneo, of USC working for them.
And Coach Tai will call for timeout.
Ay, sorry, reset mo ha. Reset. Reset. Cut off na. Take over. Fight take over. Take over. Then open. Okay, ha? Cut off. 1, 2, 3.
Si Coach Tai talagang really relax.
Siya pa eh.
Relax.
Siya yung
Oo.
una-una. Ang sarap, diba? Na pag
Coach mo yung nagsasabi niya
mag-relax. Relax.
And but
Mamaya na ako mainit.
Oh.
Mamaya na.
Oy, pero yung mga manonood natin hindi na-relax. 24-23 eh. Set point ang UST.
Correct. Hindi nga
Kaya-
tayo ma-relax eh.
Kasi tetense tayo dito. Pero sabi ko nga, Mozzie, hindi ka pwedeng manood nito pag may sakit ka sa puso.
Oo. Sobra.
Service ace from Sara Perciao.
Getting the spot.
And with that, USC gets set number 3. And this is our shake and play. Mela Tunay bumawi. After that, paalala galing kay Coach Kung Fu. Very sharp angle chosen there by Mela Tunay. And USC closes out set number 3, 25-23. Set number 4 coming up. So ngayon, it's going to be a test din para dito sa UST.
Pero at least a better reaction
Yeah.
coming from them now. Kaysa yung kahapon, isang set lang, tas wala na, bumigay na. Pero ngayon, after losing that first set, ito naman, pinanalo yung dalawang set. So, again, kung siguro kung ano yung, kung gagawin ng UST yung paghawak nila dun sa momentum na ginawa nila in the last 2 sets, malaki ang posibilidad. But, Ateneo,
They have other things
solid
in mind.
block, yes.
Bea De Leon continues to be performing very well sa kanyang blocking.
But we would always say, you can never count them out.
Oh, yeah.
Kahit kaano kalaki ang lead. Well, so far, USC, Carmela Tunay with 12 points, Laure with 11, Meneses with 10, Valdez 18 points, and Hicaliano with 10, De Leon with 7.
And here in set number 4, early lead para sa Ateneo 3-0.
Starting it strong. Parang may gustong sabihin ng Ateneo sa UST.
That's right, PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99.
Lastimosa getting that off the block point.
Scores 1, serving 3. Jessie De Leon now ready to serve for UST.
Kanina, nagtagal si Jessie De Leon dyan sa service
Oo.
line. And, yun nga yung sinabi ni Coach, di ba, kailangan matatalim din yung mga serves nila. But, you can see, itong Ateneo, like, just right now, Bea De Leon trying to take charge while she's in front.
She's doing a good job there at the front. Yung kanyang mga atake has been working well, even the blocks. Pero another service error ang pinakawalan nitong Ateneo. Right. UST serving 2-4. Carmela Tunay for the serve. Service good. It will go to Valdez, who drops it.
Oh, and once again, yung yung defensive pattern ng UST,
Oo.
medyo ang lalaki ng butas because of the triple block. Talaga yung conscious effort yan dun sa mga taong may iwan na wala dun sa
That's
triple
right.
block.
They have a bigger area of
Yes,
responsibility.
correct.
Good pick up from Lastimosa. Meneses.
Meneses, again, on the quick hit. Kanina pa siya, I mean, yung papibilis
Oo.
that's what you like about her quick hits right now. Yung pinapalo niya kagad. And that's what yun makes it difficult. Hindi lang yung bilis.
Bilis.
Yung pati yung bilis ng palo, hindi lang yung
Lakas.
angulo.
Ball still alive, so free ball given by UST. We go to Heceliana. Good pick up from Lastimosa. Free ball ang binigay ng UST. Quick attack!
Oh, still playable.
Free ball from Ateneo. We
Oh,
go
that's
to
really
Laure.
close to the net, but Laure still managed to get that point with a push.
Smart move from EJ Laure. UST just down by 1-4, serving 5. Captain Pam Lastimosa at the service line.
Patibayan ng dibdib to, partner.
It seems like it's going to be a replay of the previous. Itong dikitan talaga yung laban. Maraguinot block. Good coverage. Galing kay De Jesus. Heceliana drops it. Go to Laure. Laure. Buhay pa ang bola. Maraguinot.
Oh,
Quick attack galing kay Meneses. Buhay pa rin.
oh my!
Good defense being shown by both of these teams. Maraguinot.
Buhay pa rin, partner.
Si
Oh, siya na
Baliktad.
pumalo! Nagbaliktad na sa dami ng exchanges.
Meneses drops it. And they go to Heceliana.
Still playable.
Tunay. De Leon now will drop.
Oh,
Buhay
Rasmo.
pa rin ang bola. Laure. Ball, that set was too low.
Okay, partner, punta lang ako sa likod.
Buhay pa rin!
Oh!
Able! Napakagandang depensa from Verodiao.
That's right, presence of mind. Pero siya, bahala na si Batman, diba? O siya, taas na lang yung
That's
kamay.
right. Good reflex din yun eh. Kasi
Yeah.
yung presence of mind, tama nga yung sabi mo
Kasi
Mozi
diba yung
eh.
never give up? Alam naman niya, medyo
Oo.
maliit siya. Pero what the heck?
Yeah, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be shaky. At nakatalikod siya
Oo,
nun.
kaya nga eh. Parang bahala na kung saan ako dalhin. And then she gets the point. Imagine that. Eh?
Oh, a rotation error para naman dito sa Ateneo. So, 3-point for UST. Ano, sinasabi nila yung positioning. Ganun kahigpit itong ating mga referees.
Yes, I think it's more used to switching, di ba?
Yeah. So, Pam Lastimosa serving for UST.
Oh, nice.
Oh, service
Nice
ace!
serve. Nice short serve.
Good floater from Pam Lastimosa.
Expect Ateneo na magkakaroon na ito ng mga back row attacks. Especially
Yeah.
that Maraguinot and Eliza Valdez is at the back row. Para lang magkaroon ng maraming choices, di ba? Maraming options. Si Maraguinot getting
That's outside.
Oh! Talaga naman everything going USC's way.
That's right, and USC leads this 8-5 as we go into our first technical timeout. Let's listen in.
Can you little bit, huh? Wait, by code. That is not serious. Not serious. You can't do about this serious. Big faster and higher.
Alright, so mukhang intend umawi ang Ateneo. Pero in the meantime, Miyaka, what do you have for us?
Happy. Yan nga yung palagi natin naririnig dito sa huddle ni Coach Ty. Pero na-explain sa akin ni Coach Parley, ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Sabi niya, because the skills are there, no doubt. Pero pag nag-iba ang mood ng players, nag-iiba din ang laro nila. Kaya naman daw para sa isang hard-strong performance, kailangan daw happy. Balik sa inyo.
Shortcut lang
Oo.
naman yan na yung always sinasabi rin ng coaches, di ba? Enjoy the game.
Yes.
Yun din yun eh.
Yun yung
diba?
pinaka-importante kasi sa lahat. You have to enjoy. Otherwise, para things, will fall into place.
That's right. Kanina, nalito rin ako parehong nasa back row si Maraguinot at si Eliza Valdez. Sila nga pala yung mag-opposite, no? But, ngayon, you can see Williams inside.
And Captain Pam Lastimosa still at the service line para dito sa USC. They're up 9-5. Medyo struggle ng konti ang kanilang first ball.
Ayan na naman tayo dito sa side natin. And they can't, parang, nandun pa rin yung gulo, no? When it
Yeah.
comes to defense, they cannot settle. Well, so far, pero Xiao, 5 excellent sets. Stan, 17. Diba, nagpalit-palit rin kasi ito si
Oo.
Coach Gufo kanina. It was Alex Cabanos setting.
Valdez at the back row. We go to Laure, who's blocked. Good coverage from Rasmo. Meneses drops it. Jesus is there.
Oh, and Williams gets the point.
She was actually off timing.
That's right. Pababa na siya when she got that ball.
But a point is a point. Sabi nga natin.
Tama. Well, Ateneo now, 3 attack points. USC having the same number, pero may dalawa ng block points ang Ateneo against USC's only 1.
And it's now 6 serving 10. Bea de Leon for Ateneo. Good serve. We go to Laure, who's blocked.
Alam mo, Brasmo has been doing a splendid job for USC.
Meneses.
And
Excellent running hit.
Yup. With only a blocker in front of her.
Actually, naabangan na siya, pero maganda yung pag-switch, yung pag-twist niya ng kanyang
Yes.
angulo eh. This ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for happy families.
Si Meneses kasi risk taker.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung, talagang, may swag.
Talaga ninanamnam pa
Oh,
niya
so
pagka
pag on a
naka-point
bad
siya
day, nai-error talaga siya, diba? Pero on a good day,
Oo, tuloy-tuloy talaga eh.
That's right.
Oh, Verachao once again. Hekiliana. Oh,
And then
Verachao. Hindi talaga you had to admire talaga yung tapang niya sa harap eh. Ano ba kung
parang
maliit
ang
ako?
laki.
Diba? Laura once again.
Oh, but Laura wasn't in the best position to
Yeah.
take that one. Actually, pinilit na lang niya yung last attack.
It's quite difficult also kasi kakagaling lang niya sa cover tapos
Yes.
biglang
Tapos
binalik
nakaupo pa
agad.
siya eh.
Oo, nakaupo pa siya eh. Binalik agad sa kanya. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League.
Tines lang siya ng teammates niya. Quickness.
Tingnan ko lang kung
Sa
gaano
fourth
ka-
set ah. Sa fourth set. Pupuy ka pa. Assertive ka pa.
Block once again. Good coverage na naman para dito sa UST.
Oh, and Ella De Jesus with a pickup. Williams sending it long.
No touch from the blockers. Williams was asking for a touch. And Laure, medyo makakapahinga na ng konti.
Tignan natin.
Nasa service line na siya. Konti lang naman sabi. Konti lang.
Walang pahinga dito sa mga to. Oops, and not a very good first ball. So, Ateneo gives a freebie. Free ball to UST.
De Leon. Oh, there's a
Oh,
net
and then,
touch.
exactly. Net violation called against Ateneo. And ngayon nakikita mo yung level na kumpiyansa ng UST. Bakit? Mela Tunay, after hindi nakapuntos, hinihingi uli yung bola. Diba?
Maraguinot is now back in the game.
That's right. Si Maraguinot din kasi in this game, yung hindi rin natin siya masyadong, yung kumbaga yung points na ina-expect natin from her.
Not as much.
Oo.
That's right. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Parang on-off siya eh.
Yes.
Here and there. And Ateneo now serving its 8th, serving 13. So, nasa lamang pa rin ng UST. We're here at the 4th set. So, Ateneo got set number 1, pero UST managed to get set number 2 and 3. Oh, Maraguinot with a service error.
And sometimes you don't want that happening. Let's say off day, for example, especially in offense. Pero yung mga ganon,
Service,
oo
right.
eh. Unforced error yun eh.
Kaya sinasabi, di bali ng sobrang hina, basta sigurado
Pasok.
maipasok mo na lang. Verutiao. You go to Valdez. Off the block. And there's a net violation error called up against Lastimosa. Ang bibilis ng mata ng mga referee talaga.
Right. Eh, kailangan. Such a close fight. And, kumbaga well-fought
Yes.
game eh.
Ito yung mga klase
Match,
ng laro
oo.
na kahit sino man yung manalo o matalo.
Oo.
Di ba?
But-
Both really work
Oo,
hard for it eh.
True.
So free ball ngayon dito binigay ng Ateneo. You can see Mela Tunay asking for it. Pwede go to Padla Simosa. Good combination.
It's
Ganda.
like, you know, actually, Ateneo was able to read it. Dun sa second spiker pupunta dun sa differential. Pero nalusutan pa rin, partner. Look at Pamela Simosa. Go for an angle.
And I think UST really has to maximize yung ganung mga klaseng combination attacks. Kasi Ateneo has been doing that. At dun sila nahirapan. Drop shot mula kay Valdez. Buhay pa rin.
Oh, and,
Oh, violation na yun.
Double
Double.
violation na itatawag. Pero tama ka na, partner, ha? Ngayon naman ang tingin ko, dapat Ateneo should go to those combination plays para maiba lang.
Oo.
Pero ang umpisa ay good first ball.
That's right. I think Coach Hung was trying to contest the call. Referee calling out Captain Pam Lastimosa, giving out the instructions.
Oh no, yellow card.
Yellow card awarded to Coach Kung Fu Reyes. Papakamot na lang si Coach Kung Fu.
Well, oh, because you don't want that red card
yeah.
next. So,
That's right.
kamot na lang yan.
Good pass. They go to Lastimosa, who's blocked. Coverage was there. Balik ulit kay Lastimosa.
Oh, and Lastimosa gets the check.
And USC leads 16-10 as we enter to our second technical timeout. Let's listen in.
One more point, huh? 1, 2, 3.
Sundan ng all-out kulitan ni Alyssa, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, Johnvic, Peter, and the rest of the Volley Friends of Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chat tab sa inyong Viber app, search, and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch your ultra-fun kulitan. And we're back here into the action. So, ang lamang po dito ay ang UST. They're up by 6. It's 16 serving 10.
Right? And yung bawi ng USC,
Oo.
ibang klase ha, partner.
Carmela Tunay with the serve. Valdez for the attack. Kiliana. Oh, good coverage para dito sa Ateneo.
Power tip from Bea De Leon. Ateneo gets that point. Kanina ba natin sinasabi na talaga USD, they have to build around their blocking. Kasi yan ang biggest advantage
That's
nila.
right.
And just doing just that. That's why, lamang pa rin sila dito sa set na to.
But you have to give credit to the coverage of Ateneo.
Yes, correct. Oh,
Buhay pa rin ang bola. Laure off the block. They go to Maraginot.
oh, and Maraginot
Sent it wide.
long again. Ang problema kasi doon, she went for an angle. Kung di ba kasi it's either gusto mo ipa-check kaya mataas siya Kaya lang inaanguluhan niya So hindi tumama sa blockers. Okay lang yun yung off the block.
Yeah. Pero talagang pinapractice yun.
Oo,
Meron talagang
diba?
ganon. Yes.
Pero diretsuhin mo sa
Oo.
blockers.
Quick attack De Leon. Lastimosa is there. Laure.
Oh, and the confidence just oozing now for the attackers of USD. USD 7 attack points, Ateneo with 5 at this point.
And this Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Baliktad na nangyari partner, no? Ngayon pa rin yung gana.
That's right.
Nawawala sa
Ateneo
Ateneo.
is now calling for timeout.
Boxing, no cow, ha? Boxing, no cow. 1, 2, 3.
It's USD up by 7-18, serving 11.
Si
So-
Coach Jaime, iba naman klase kanya, no? Sinimulan niya silent.
Oo.
Tinitingnan niya lang yung isa't isa, parang makakuha kayo sa tingin, ha?
Parang tatay nga, no?
Makakuha kayo sa tingin.
Pam Lastimosa serving now for USD. Good serve. Good one-hand set mula kay Giselle Tan.
Pero siya, parang a good reaction.
Yeah.
Na that return by Ateneo.
So Ateneo just down by 6.
Kailangan patient sila. Just cut the lead one
Yeah.
at a time. 1 point. A point per point. Oh, and the Leon getting an ace.
So lead now cut down to 5. 13 serving 18. If it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be shaky. A free ball given out by Ateneo. They go to Laure. Laure's blocked.
Oh, it's block point for Ateneo. Offensive blocking right there, partner.
And the timeout called by Coach Kung Correas.
Hindi ka sinabi ka mag-i-receive. Huwag mo naman itutok ko. Yung buhay mo na ano na lakas. Ano nga po? Gawin mo! Eh wala, tinatapon agad natin. Ngayon, may umaataka sa ating malakas ang atake. Ano yung expect ko? Nakadikit ba yung bola sa net? Hindi yan lalaglag sa harap. Ang tapon niya malayo. Kasi yung may iwan sa likod. Dapat i-define natin yan. Identify natin kung sino yung tao na yun. Ngayon, 4. Guys, 4 pa ang lamang natin. Huwag natin hayaan na isko sa atin yung dalawa yan. Bawiin agad natin. Kasi pwede yung tatakbo yun.
And Coach Kung Fu actually, reminding them, isa rin yun sa mga basics pag nagko-coverage kayo.
Yes.
Kailangan yung nagko-cover, titignan mo rin kung gaano kalayo yung
Correct.
bola na sinet ng setter sa attacker. Kasi doon mo rin madidetermine yung na-block, balik ba yung malapit
Again,
o malayo.
basa-basa pag may time. Oops, and ang USCP na dadali ang paghabol ng Ateneo. On their poor first ball, on their poor reception.
Bea De Leon doing a great job as well on the service line.
That's true. At tina-target si Mela Tunay. Kanina pa, panay kay Mela.
We go to Maraguinot.
And finally, Maraguinot getting that point, challenging the blockers of UST.
That goes off the hands of Meneses. So we have a two-man substitution again. Ito, full front line na naman para sa UST.
Yan na naman yung target. Talagang kay Mela. At si Mela, akin na.
Oh,
Sige.
hinihingi na talaga. Nagtataas na siya ng kamay.
Oh, yun, di ba pagpawala rin ng
Oh.
nervous yan? Sige, expecting mo na.
So, sa'yo na yan, Mela. Laure!
Oh, and I like that play. Ang ganda ng play ng UST na yun. Cabanos really doing well on that one.
Another substitution para dito sa UST. Francisco coming in for Meneses. So UST up by 3, 19, serving 16. This is going to be a crucial serve para kay Christine
Pero kanina
Francisco.
pa siya nalalagay sa ganyan
Oo,
sitwasyon, diba?
so parang sanay na siguro siya.
Kanina pa.
Service good. They go to Maraguinot.
Oh, and again, Maraguinot through the blockers.
So the lead cut down to 2. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng UST, 19-17.
And si Maraguinot, hindi na, sabi niya, wala nang check-check.
Oh.
Challenge na lang the blockers of UST.
Hekiliana serving for Ateneo. Good serve. They go to Laure. Off the block!
And credit half the point to Alex Cabanos on that very difficult shot.
Ang layo na.
Backset, ah.
Ang layo nun, ah.
Yep.
Let's take a look at that again. Oh, layo. And EJ Laure getting it off the hands of the blockers. Laure to serve. Oh, good service.
That's right. Too much to handle for Maraguinot.
And USD up by 4, 21, serving 17. Then again, 4 pa lang to. 4 lang ang lamang. Nakita natin kung gaano dumikit itong Ateneo. So, UST hindi pa rin nakakasiguro at this point.
Tama kayo, pagkalaban mo, Ateneo, wala naman talaga
Walang
kasiguruduhan.
kasiguruduhan. Oh, but that's another service ace. EJ Laure. 2 service aces scoring for UST, and that causes Ateneo to call for timeout.
Di ba tapos? 5 lang yan. Ha? Kaya pa yan. Di ba nyo lang muna, Mangkit? Dandahan.
Goal, no?
It's UST. You're up by 5 points, 22, serving 17. EJ Laure has scored 2 consecutive service aces.
That's right. Yan ang naging crucial, no?
Oo.
I mean, if UST goes on and to win this one, very crucial yung naging 2 aces nitong siya. Kasi dumidikit na Ateneo eh.
Homiro, that was a bit too low for Amy.
Correct.
Tunay.
Oh, and Ella Tunay. Liking that one. Why not? Kanina pa siya nasasabot sa depensa eh.
Banlaw-banlaw
Oh,
naman.
ito naman, banlaw sa opensa. There you go.
So yeah, that's right in between 2 blockers as well.
Ateneo, kung gusto pa nilang to stop UST, it should be right now. And AJ, giving a freebie, sabi niya. Oh, ito, +1
para sa inyo. So Ateneo now serving 18-23. Joanna Maraguinot at the service line. So that means nasa harap na si Eliza Valdez.
That is right. Yan ang bad news for UST. Oh!
There was a touch.
Was there a check? Oh, there was.
There was a touch from Ella De Jesus. That was
Wow.
actually going out already.
Yes. Ano eh, when in doubt kasi, diba?
Oh.
Just go
Pero
for it
totoo
eh.
naman kasi yun eh. When you're in doubt, just get it.
Yep.
But now we are at match point. UST 24 serving 18. Sara Verutiao at the service line at 3 ang frontliners ng UST. But then again, we have Eliza Valdez at the front line then para sa Ateneo.
Correct.
Serve just safely over. We go to Valdez.
Oh, and Valdez says, wait a minute.
The match is
Not
not over.
over.
Oo, hindi pa tayo tapos.
Di pa uwian, ha?
Wala akong lakad ngayon.
Walang kukurap, ha?
Amy Ahumiro serving now for Ateneo. 19 serving 24. Good serve.
Oh, and still playable.
That is good. Walang pito referee. Tuloy ang laro. Another over received there. De Leon.
Pasmo really everywhere in this game.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. We go to Valdez.
Oh, but Valdez sends it long.
But there is a net violation.
Oh,
Pero
but what
against
a break.
UST.
What a break.
a lucky break para dito sa Ateneo.
And that, look at Coach Goku trying to calm down the
Yeah.
girls. Okay.
So it is still UST at set point.
Ano ba to, partner?
Kinakabahan ka na naman.
Grabe, ang larong ito.
They go to Lastimosa.
Still okay.
They go to Tunay this time. Good coverage from De Leon. Lastimosa. Buhay pa rin. They go to Valdez.
Oh, and the nice to Valdez. Woo!
And that is what you will expect when Eliza Valdez says, give it to me.
Correct. Oh my.
So ngayon, 3 na lang ang lamang ng UST at they are at match point rather. So Coach Kung Fu calls for a timeout. So if UST wins today, they will still have a game 3 and that will be on September 16 at 4 p.m.
Wow.
So extended yan.
Aha.
So
Lahat ng tao nakatayo. Iniintay. Meron bang extension?
Oo nga eh. Maglalaro ba ulit sa
Oo.
September 16?
Meron ba o wala?
Ang dami yung mga tao nakahawak sa puso,
Oo.
nakatakip pang muka, pero nakabukas. Yung
So,
mata
hindi
nakasilip.
naman.
Oo. Ang daming kabado.
Oh, and it's really, whatever this comes out to, it was an exciting ball game.
Yeah.
These two teams.
Both of these teams really deserve it. And they will go to Lastimosa. Good pick up from Hekeliana. Valdez. Oh! Rasmo with an excellent kick. Valdez once again. Drop shot.
Oh, and Valdez! 3 consecutive points or 4. Talaga naman. Just leading the way for the Lady Eagles.
And I think, for USC, they would expect
Tama
to really
kasi
go to Valdez.
And si Gisela, I really thought, kasi mas malapit si Bea sa kanya na ibibigay na kay
Yeah.
Bea, pero wala, pinato pa rin
Si
kay
Valdez
Eliza.
pa rin.
Why not? 3
Of
straight
course.
points. 3 straight points na nanggaling kay Eliza.
Good first ball.
And
Tunay scores the point for USC. That was a good decision to do a combination play.
that is correct. And kahit papano, diba, nagpasa ang Ateneo. And it went USC's way.
So, ibig sabihin nito, meron pa pong isang laro.
Ayan na, oo
On September 16, game number 3. And this is our shake and play of the game. Carmela Tunay with that combination attack. Surely, this is a deserving win for USD, but Ateneo
Yes.
played very well.
That's true. And they really tried to come back dito sa larong to. But USC held on. And a lot of heroes. Pam Lastimosa, you have Carmela Tunay.
That's right.
At yung Perusia. Oh my
Oo,
gosh. What
they
a
played
revelation.
very well.
And ang ganda ng pasok labas nila ni Alex Cabanos. Diba? Yung
That's
balita
right.
nila.